Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this math Olympic problem without using calculator. So let's find out the solution. So as our question is square root of 1110888 and 9 here. So if I'm wrote our equation is become, if I'm broke down our equation 1110 and all of remainder 4 digits I'm wrote here 0 0 0 0 and 0 here, plus remainder term if I'm wrote add 8 8 8 and 9 here. This is equal to 1 triple 1 0 triple 8 and 9 equal. So if I'm further solve our equation is become 1110 and all of that 1 2 3 4 0 here. So plus if I'm wrote this term is also become 0 8 8 8 0 plus 9 is become 9 here, square root here. So if I'm wrote our equation 111 and how many zeros? This is point here 1 2 3 4. So this is 1 here, this point jump 1 2 3 4 and 5 here. So this is 5 points here. This means 10 to the power of 5 here, plus this is 88 here, 888, and this one they got here point here, this jump 1 point, this means 10 to the power of 1 here, plus 9 here, square root here. So 10 to the, if I'm wrote a further solve 111 into the 10 to the power of 5, plus if 888 is become 8 into 111, if I'm further broke down 11 is become 88 here into the 10 to the power 1 here, plus 9 here, square root here. So next step is 111 is that is equal to, if I'm wrote 999 divided by 9 here, 9 ones are 999, 1 ones are. So if I'm wrote this equation into 999 divided by 9 here into the 10 to the power of 5 plus 8 here, and this 111 into 999 divided by 9 into the 10 to the power 1 to more simplify here. So our equation here square root here. So if I'm wrote here, this is 99 is become 1000 minus 1 is become 99 divided by 9 here into the 10 to the power 5 plus 8, this is 1000 here, 1000 minus 1 is 99 here divided by 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 9 here, square root here. So next step is, this is point here, this is 1 jump 1.123, this means 10 to the power of 3 power here minus 1 divided by 9 here into 10 to the power of 5 here. So plus 88, this is point here 1 2 3, this means 10 to the power of 3 minus 1 here divided by 9 here into 10 to the power of 1 plus 9 here. So take all square root here. So next step is, I'm wrote here, next step is become this is, if I multiply inside, our equation is 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 5 minus 10 to the power of 5 divided by 9 here, plus 8, if I'm this term multiply inside, our equation become 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of 1 minus 1 is become 10 to the power 1 here divided by 9 here. So plus 9, square root here. So our equation, if I'm using the formula where power where we got the power of power rule product of power rule, which is if a to the power of m and a to the power of n, that means power will be added. So our equation is become 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 here, 3 plus 5 minus 10 to the power 5 divided by 9 here, plus 8 and 10 to the power of 3 plus 1 here minus 10 to the power of 1 here divided by 9 here plus 9 got square root here. So our next step is 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 is become 8 minus 10 to the power of 5 divided by 9 here plus 8 and 10 to the power of 3 plus 1 is become 4 minus 10 divided by 9 here plus 9 here whole square root here. So whole square root here, so that is equals to 10 to the power of 5. If I'm taking their LCM is 9. I've got here 9. So if I'm taking 9 here, LCM got 9 here, so this is got 1 here, so 9 into 10 to the power of 8 minus 10 to the power of 5 plus 8 and 10 to the power of 5 minus 10 plus 9 is 9 ones and 9 nines and 1 nines are 9 and 9 into 9 here. So square root here. The next step is that is equals to 10 to the power of 8 minus 10 to the power of 5 plus 8 if I'm wrote this is 1 here, this is the power of 10 to the power of 1 here. So we got 8 is we got 8 here into 8 into 10 to the power of 4 here and 8, this is 8 tens are minus 80 here, 80 here plus 9 nines are 81 divided by 9 here square root. So 8 into 10 raised to the power 4 minus 8 tens are 80 here. So if I'm wrote over further equation solve, so 10 to the power of 8 minus 10 to the power of 5 plus 8 into 10 to the power of 4, this is plus minus here and plus 1 remainder is 81 minus 80 become 1 here divided by 9 and got square root here. So next step is, if I'm wrote our next step is, if this is 5, 10 to the power of 8 minus 10 to the power 5 is become 4 plus 1 is become 5 here plus 8 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 here divided by 9 here, take square root here. So next step is I'm got 10 to the power of 8 minus 4 is if I this is power of product of power rule mean if a to the power of m plus n, this means a to the power of m and a to the power of n here. So our equation will become 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of 1 here, so plus 8 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 1 here divided by 9 here square root here. So 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of 8 and if I am taking this is 8 here and this is 10 here, so this is a 10 because this is 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4, this is 10 and this is minus here 8 minus 10 minus 8 is become 2, so we got plus, so we got minus because big number have minus here, minus 2 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by plus 1 divided by 9 here square root here. So next step is, if I wrote 8 here, 8 here is become 4 into 2 is become 8 here, 10 to the power of 4 whole power 2 here, so minus 2 into 10 to the power 4 here into 1 here is become 2 into 10 to the power 4 plus 1 is become, that is equal to 1 square. I'm wrote 1 square here divided by 9 here square root here. So if I'm wrote let a is equals to 10 to the power of 4 and I'm wrote b that is equals to 1 here, so equation is become a minus b whole square that is equals to a square minus 2ab and plus b square here. So equation is become, so our equation is 10 to the power 4 whole square minus 2 into 10 to the power 4 into 1 plus 1 square. So this is equals to 10 to the power 4 minus 1 whole square here. So now put in main equation. Our main equation become 10 to the power 4 minus 1 whole square divided by 9. So square root here, square root here, wait a second, square root of a here. So in next step is I'm got, which is the next step is a, this is 10 to the power 4 is become 10 to the power 4, that is equal to 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros here. So I'm wrote here 10 1 2 and 3 4 here, 4 zeros are here, minus 1 divided by 9 here. So 9 is become, if I'm wrote 9 that is equal to 3 into 3, that is 3 square here. So this is 3 square here, whole square, square root of here. So if I'm power of product rule, in if a divided by b, a to the power of n and b to the power of n, this means we got a and b whole power n. So I'm considering whole power n. So this is 10,000 minus 1 become 9,999 divided by 3 and taking whole power square here, square root here. So square and square root cancelled out. So we got 9,999 here divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So our answer is that 3 3 and 3 3. Answer. We got final answer here 3,333. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.